precision engineering at every stage, culminating in the unmatched power of the Chengdu J-10CE. This staging area represents the foundational material split. Process A utilizes the massive titanium ink. Ensuring structural integrity requires absolute precision.
This fluctuation here suggests a minor density variation. We will need targeted machining during the next phase to address it.
The titanium alloy bulkheads now undergo Process A, moving through a multi-stage solvent bath before entering the high-vacuum plasma chamber.
Check the clearance, maintain safe distance. Roger that, slowing down, preparing for Process A entry.
The refined rare earth powders are transformed into dense ceramic composite blocks, critical for the specialized
Seal check complete on Section 3.
Reading these confirmed. We are clear for insertion.
The autoclave cycle is complete. The titanium structure is now fully integrated with the composite skin, confirming Process A is advancing successfully.
Align the left edge first.
Got it. Tension set at 20.
Secured. Moving to the next mount.
Check the power coupling on Section 4.
Matches the schematic. All green for fastening.
Good. The forward fuselage receives structural interface components. A robotic riveting system then permanently affixes.
The sealant bead is uniform and complete.
Logging the visual check now. Looks perfect.
Zoom in on section 4, near the hydraulic line. I'm seeing an anomaly.
Confirmed. Running a level 2 diagnostic now.
Sensors calibrated. Cross-referencing with the manifest now.
Everything green on the diagnostic tool, ready for securement.
This reinforces the absolute necessity of maintaining a complete paper trail for high-value aerospace components.
The Ti-6Al 4V wafers are precision-mounted onto the assembled PCBs using specialized adhesives.
X-axis parameters holding steady. No signal degradation.
Power flux remains nominal. Diagnostics are clean. The product is robust.
This specialized radar-absorbent coating creates a uniform, non-reflective surface.
Look at the phase alignment on channel 3.
Acquisition confirmed. Logging the data now.
Reading. The thermal profile remains stable. The shielding is performing optimally.
Agreed.
Humidity levels are stable.
Fire suppression systems checked out. Ready for transit.
A little to the left, slowly.
Hard points aligned. Secure the clamps.
We confirm the legal handover of the tailored electronic countermeasures systems.
The documentation is in order. Handover complete.
All units, this is Control. The asset is moving. Maintain secure perimeter. Pallet secure. Confirm green status on climate control.
Confirmed. Systems are active. We are ready for departure.
Ground team, secure the braces. Easy on the pods. Watch this for clearance.
The pods are secure and fully initialized.
Confirmed. Ready for installation sequence B.
Okay, align the interface slowly. Clear. Engaging the high torque bolts now.
Handshake successful, Falcon. EW status is green.
Confirmed. All systems online.
Ground check complete. Systems are green. Roger that. Runway is clear for takeoff.
The J-10CE demonstrates its raw power, integrating the advanced capabilities of the new electronic warfare system, Product B. EW systems are fully operational. Process B maintaining integrity at 7 Gs. Confirmed successful integration.
Tower, this is Viper 1, runway vacated. Roger that, Viper 1. Ground crew approaching for safety checks.
Visuals are clean. Thermal gradient is stable.
Diagnostics complete. All parameters are nominal.
The specialized secondary product, Process B, exceeded expectations. The EU pods integrated seamlessly,